So guys, we are at Praia the end of the main beach at Praia de Algarve. Just behind where the guys are trying to get down there is a lovely, secluded rocky hill. I'm going to head up there now, take a look around. Let's go. We're heading over that way in between the rocks. This way, Arch. Out of there, I think. What day? Am I a cheeky rascal? What? Right. Of the main beach at Praia de Algarve. Got to actually climb over the rocks. What? Just behind. I'm not sure whether I'm pronouncing it right, Praia de Prana, but it's at the end of the main beach at Algarve. To gain access to it, you have actually got to go over these rocks here. It's beautiful, it really is. I don't know if you can see in there, guys. Gain access over these rocks here and I don't slip. Look at the rock formations, it's beautiful. Down here there's lovely little steps that are cut out. Here we are. Really secluded. Actually, to be fair, there's a lot more people on the beach since we first got here. But Claire's just over there with Archie. We've got a lovely restaurant up here. It's stunning. It really is. And it's lovely and secluded, so we'll head over this way, guys. This is where Claire is. And I'll take you for a little wander, have a little look. So we've came from the Algarve main beach, but you can, I believe, gain access up this way, I think it is, from the top of the resort, which I think Prana is actually a small resort next to Algarve. Yeah, so there's steps up here. You can actually gain access down to the beach from the top of the cliffs. But just look at this. There's Claire and Archie there. Now let's go and scare them, shall we? It's just lovely. Archie, say hello.
Oh, Daddy's here. Look,
Archie, rah!
Mum won't get it.
You want to get it. There's Claire, nice and relaxed.
Well, relaxed as can be with a 2-year-old.
Very true. You want to come with Daddy again? You want to come with Daddy again? Right, come on then. Oh. Yeah. Now Claire's relaxed. Give us a thumbs up. It's just really nice and chilled. And that, for me, this is what being abroad is about. Being on the secluded beaches, not being with the mainstream beaches where all the shops are and all the tourists are. Saturday today in Algarve. Obviously the locals weekend. Bend over. We're going to go walk through the water again. Actually. Oh, we're going to find some more crabs. Yeah. So, but yeah, for me, this is what a holiday is about. Being abroad, in the sea, by the rocks, by the cliff faces, not being in the mainstream bit. This is beautiful. It really is. Look at how coves. You can see up there, I don't know whether you can see the shimmer off the water in the cave. This bit obviously you've got to gain access via the water. Clear water, isn't it? Is it clear water? You can obviously see how high the water goes up. Cliffs. And obviously over there you can see the main beach of Algarve. So this is Praia da Marinha. Praia da Marinha, Archie. Right, go. Praia da Marinha. And obviously the main beach is Praia da Algarve. I'm not sure whether I'm pronouncing them correctly. I'm sure someone will let us know. So it's quite deep here to get through. We get some nice white wet shorts. Oh, it's a little bit chilly, Archie. But once you're through, it's just stunning. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah, actually saying it's lovely. Yeah, I actually can't hold it, no, in case we drop it. But like I say, guys, for me, this is what being abroad is all about. Being on the unspoilt bits of the resort. Yeah, he's actually having fun. Yeah? So I'm not going to try and get round there, guys. I've got Archie with us at the minute. Say hello, Archie. Say hello to the camera. Hello, camera. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Have we seen some crabs? And what do the crabs do? They go nip, 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 like Larry the lobster.
Nip, 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 nip.
So yeah, guys, it's small, but you can make some beautiful memories. And I do think further along the coast, there is more. Further along the coast towards Albufeira and Portimao, there is more little secluded beaches along the way, like this. But for me, this is what it's about. Stunning. So I never noticed this, guys. Look at this. Wow. Wow. It's cool, isn't it? So I'm not going to go any further, guys. Obviously I've got Archie. I'm sure by the looks of things you can actually get through. And I'm sure we're all surrounded by crabs that are willing to give us a quick nip. Yeah, so guys, if you're in the resort of Algarve, in the Algarve of Portugal, get yourself over to Praia da Marinha. It's stunning. I mean, just look at it. Is it nice, Archie?
Yeah.
Yeah, give thumbs up. Yeah, look at the camera. Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah. So get yourselves over to Praia da Marinha, guys. It's just the end of the main beach at Algarve, and you get some stunning views like this. So as you leave Praia da Marinha, guys, there's a little restaurant here, Sol Sombra. We're gonna have something to eat now here and I'll let you know what it is. So there's the menu, guys.